Imagine making more than $1,000 every week just by converting audio and video files into text online. Fortunately, many websites on the internet pay lots of money for these simple tasks. If you are eager to learn more about typing jobs and make it as your go-to side hustle, grab a snack and your notepad to make notes as you watch this video to the end and delve into exciting details. These typing job opportunities we are going to discuss in this video can help you manage your finances well without any investment or expertise. The best part of the job is flexibility. You can work at any time you want, it's totally up to you. So in this video, we will show you the top 10 websites that actually help you to make money online just by typing. So just sit tight and watch this video to the end. And don't forget that this video is powered by Roladel. So, if you are curious about making money online by watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching now, check the first link in the description box below to get started. Starting with the number 10, which is Scribe.com. With over 40,000 certified typists work at Scribe, this is a popular website that offers excellent audio and video transcription services. And the wild fact about the website is since its inception, the organization has disbursed more than 3 million to its transcribers on the site. Any transcriber worldwide can join Scribe and earn between $5 to $25 per audio hour done, though any potential for every transcriber could vary as prescribed. You can earn around $400 per month as a novice transcriber, and at the same time, experts can generate over $1,600 per month, and you can easily withdraw your money through PayPal. The most exciting feature of this website is that you can earn a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours of work you do. Besides this, the website provides a free automated transcript that makes the job easier as a new beginner. So, all you have to do is edit the transcript rather than typing everything from scratch. In this way, it saves time and more than 60% of your typing efforts. Number 9. TranscriptionPanda.com. This Transcription Panda has hundreds of in-house and expert transcribers that help clients to convert their audio and video files. It welcomes both domestic and international applicants for home-based typing jobs. A great aspect of Transcription Panda is that you are in charge of choosing your jobs. However, you can only select a maximum of 5 transcriptions per week. The average monthly earnings begins from $250. Some high earners even earn around $2,200 per month. Transcription Panda pays you between $24 to $46 per audio hour. Beginners on average can expect to earn from $390 per month in comparison. Top transcribers stand a chance to make around $1,820 or more. Moreover, unlike conventional jobs, you don't have to wait for the whole month to withdraw your money. You can obtain your cash every week via PayPal account. Number 8. TranscribeMe.com. This TranscribeMe.com is one of the most prominent websites that pay you for typing audio and video files. The registration process and working on the website are entirely free, of course, based on various reviews. It has one of the highest rates in the market, so if you were aiming to earn extra bucks for simple tasks, this is the best option for you. This website estimates that you can easily make more than $15 to $22 per audio hour just by doing simple tasks. The average monthly earnings begins from $250. Some high earners even earn around $2,200 per month. Moreover, you can withdraw your money through PayPal weekly if you have minimum withdrawal of $20. Jobs are super easy and relatively shorter than you expect. It requires the conversion of 2-minute audio clips. The website is available worldwide, hence, you can easily earn by typing from anywhere in the globe. Number 7. CastingWords.com. This Casting Words also pays to transcribe audio files into text. Your total earnings may vary between some cents to $1 per audio minute. You can also make $5 to $30 per project. It's essential to keep in mind that your earnings rely on the caliber of your work. For instance, if your work receives a grade of 9, you will receive 3 times your primary payment. Also, you might not receive any payment if your work gets a rate of 4 or lower. Uncertainty about income is a drawback that typists should consider before they begin any project. So beware while taking the project here. But the fact that the website is free to join and available worldwide, it offers your payment weekly via PayPal, which might encourage you to give it a shot. Number 6. Crowdsoft.com. The next portal in the list is Crowdsoft website, which has a fantastic community of typists who provide captioning and transcribing services online. As a typist on this website, you can work here for your flexibility and at your own pace. You can sign up on the work market to get hired from anywhere worldwide and work with their team on the private editing platform. You can connect with various employers offering freelancing work and make from $2 to $10 per audio hour. This website pays you per project through PayPal. You can work as per your convenience on your own schedules on this website. Number 5. Wherewithwords.com. They are another reputable international company that provides audio to text solutions is Wherewithwords. Proficient English first language speakers from countries in the European Union, South Africa, the United Kingdom, Canada, the United States, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, and Hong Kong are eligible to apply on this website. On this website, you can freelance or do a full-time job according to your preference and earn between $10 to $26 per audio hour. Receive your cash directly into your PayPal account every month. The website is open to all the beginners who have zero experiences of typing and transcribing to join their team. It takes zero technical knowledge or expertise to begin, so you can quickly start your work on the get-go. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Roladel Business and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos like this. Also, if you like to make money online watching YouTube videos like this one you are watching, please check the first link on the description below. Number 4. Rev.score. This Rev is a major player in the transcription industry with an extensive range of positions for you. Residents from the UK, US, Canada, and many more places where PayPal accounts are available are eligible to apply for numerous job openings. At this website, it pays freelance transcribers from $0 to $30 to $1.10 per minute on every audio and video file. On the other hand, the website pays captions from $0.54 to $1.10 per minute works done. You can make anywhere from $10 to $20 on every transcription or caption project. You can choose as much or a little work as you want at rev.com. Once you sign up and have your own account, you must take an English language and grammar test and submit a sample of your work. Once approved, you can straight away begin working. Rev.com pays weekly, so you won't have to wait too long for your payments. Number 3. GoTranscript.com. This organization is looking for aspiring typists and transcribers who take pride in their work to grow their team. The online company pays competitive rates for transcription jobs from $10 to $36 per audio hour. The online company pays competitive rates for transcription jobs from $10 to $36 per audio hour. A beginner like you can make over $150 per month, while experts may earn over $1,215 monthly. You can quickly receive your weekly payouts via PayPal for all the transcription work you do. An excellent feature about this website is that you can also type or translate into other languages including Arabic, Danish, French, German, Japanese, and many more. You can sign up for an account for free and become a part of their global community of professional transcriptionists. Number 2. DailyTranscription.score. This Daily Transcription is a US-based online portal that offers transcription and translation services. The organization operates in the USA and Canada. The company claims to pay you higher rates than its top rivals. The website weekly pays for the assignments. The payment for the transcription project varies from $10 to $35. However, expert transcriptionists can make approximately $350 to $950 in a week. So, if you want around $1,000 in your pocket by the end of every month, daily transcription could be the best option for you. You can join the daily transcription team and access all your earnings through PayPal. Number 1. HappyScribe.score. This website offers transcription and subtitle service all in one platform. The organization functions in various countries, including the UK, USA, Spain, France, Canada, Germany, Kenya, the Philippines, and many more. Interestingly, HappyScribe enhances your workflow through their personal keyboard shortcuts that enable you to proofread your documents even quicker. The website offers users both free and paid auto-transcription softwares. The cost of paid software is extremely reasonable. It costs you around $0.20 per minute and is 85% accurate. On this website, you can earn between $0.92 per minute. And this way, you can earn over $55 for every 1 hour of work. An average transcriber at this website can make up to $458 per month. On the contrary, top transcribers might make around $3,056. Your earnings on this website primarily rely on the language you decide to transcribe and the availability of jobs. If you commit more time to this website, you can become one of their top-rated typists. So guys, in this video, I've talked about the top 10 reliable online websites that connect you with a global community of clients that have a steady stream of typing projects waiting for you. Whether you're an experienced typist or just a beginner, there are numerous online websites brimming with job opportunities. These jobs aren't as high-paying or a preferred full-time employment, but they're a great source of side income. As a typist, you will always have something to work on with new transcription jobs every day. If you are a finance enthusiast, you should definitely watch out for these spaces to make more money as your side hustle. And if you want to know more about how to make money online, watch YouTube videos. Check this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.